Hey everyone, it's Kristen Kenny here at the Vivint Demo House, and today I'm excited to show you the all-new Doorbell Camera Pro Gen 2 and explain why it's the most advanced doorbell on the market today. Let's get started. The next generation doorbell camera from Vivint has been reimagined with a sleek form factor that will look stunning on your home. But it's on the inside where you'll find the most amazing updates. Thanks to enhanced intelligence, Doorbell Camera Pro Gen 2 has improved detection and Smart Deter capabilities. This means the device will record actual people, not random motion, and has a larger LED light ring and louder speaker for two-way talk to let unwanted guests know they've been spotted. And coming soon to Doorbell Camera Pro Gen 2 is round-trip package detection. You can already monitor packages and receive a notification when one has been delivered. But with the new computer vision chip, you can receive a notification when a package is removed from your doorstep. Beware, porch pirates! Low-light video performance has also been improved, and you'll now see more detail in shadows and at night. Color accuracy has been improved as well. Through the Vivint app, you can monitor faster, smoother video playback from the Doorbell Camera Pro Gen 2. This is made possible with a new built-in feature for 24/7 continuous recording for up to 10 days. The Vivint Doorbell Camera Pro Gen 2 offers many features others just can't compete with. Even better, it comes with professional installation and our award-winning monitoring. This is the next generation of doorbell cameras from Vivint, and it's available now for new and current customers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe by clicking the bell notifications so that you know when we upload new content. Bye for now.